In today's video, I will show you how to rotate your video clips on CapCut PC in 3 different methods. First, start by importing your media in the timeline, and look for the edit panel at the top right corner. If it's not visible, click on the media in the timeline. Under Video and Basic tab, find Position and Size drop-down menu. Expand it to locate rotation option. Here you can either input desired degrees or use rotation wheel to adjust. Second method, just select media in the timeline and look for the rotation circle in the media player. Simply drag rotation circle to rotate media in desired direction. And third method, go to media you wish to rotate, then right-click. From the menu that pop up, go to Edit tab and select Rotate. This method ensures that media rotates horizontally or vertically.